All right, so here's the deal. On these trucks, they originally came with platinum plugs from the factory, the older ones. So this is a 2002 I'm sitting in. They came with a spark plug gap of 0.060 inches from the factory. That's 60 thousandths of an inch spark plug gap. I don't know why they did it. Maybe fuel mileage. I think it had something to do with the idle performance. You know, it runs better with 40 thousandths of an inch gap versus the bigger 60 thousandths of an inch gap. Either way, you know, they'll both work, but apparently 40 thousandths of an inch is better for these trucks. There you go right there. You can see how much larger that 60 thou is versus the 40 thou right there. Check it out. 60 thousandths of an inch, 40 thousandths of an inch. You can see it's much bigger. This is the latest plug. This is the old one right here, 20 years old. This is the latest one right out of the box on the right. So somewhere along the line, I think it was maybe 2003, 2004, something like that, they got in there and they revised that. So the spark plugs were then gapped to 0.040 inches from the factory. The replacements, 0.040 inches. You can look this up. I promise you, I'm not making it up. If you look up the part number 41-962, you'll see the gap is 0.040 inches. Basically, if you buy any ACDelco spark plugs for these trucks or any NGK, I believe, any aftermarket plugs for these trucks, they're going to be gapped to 0.040 inches from the factory. I know the ACDelco ones are for sure. Double check. You want 0.040 40 thousandths of an inch gap on spark plugs for these trucks. There you go, right there, 60 thousandths of an inch right there. I'm not lying to you, I'm not making this stuff up, but there you go, it says 60 thousandths. Old spec, we don't use that anymore. I know y'all like me, you love to gap spark plugs. Don't do it with the Iridium ones on these. You can damage them. The platinum ones on these, you can damage them. They come out of the box 0.040 inches from the factory. You're gonna run them straight out of the box. If they're not that gap, you gotta check them. Now you can check them all day long, check them. If they're not that gap, if they're smaller, they've been crushed up, send them back. Get you a fresh set. That's what they want you to do with these trucks. ACDelco 41-110 or 41-162 are my favorite plugs to run in these trucks. They're Iridium. Get them out of the box, check them, make sure the gap's good, throw them in the engine, torque them in, and then you'll be good to go. You're not supposed to use a coin like this to check these fine electrode, precious metal spark plugs, Iridium, Platinum. You're not supposed to use the coin, boy. You're supposed to use one of these little things like that so that you can get in there without damaging those electrodes. So this right here, 60 thousandths of an inch on the coin, we'll check it. Yep, see, 60 thousandths right there. Here we go right here. Check it out. We got this little wire right here. And look at that, it slips right in there just like that, 40 thousandths of an inch. It's got a good gap to it right there. Leave a comment, let me know what truck you got, what spark plugs you got, what gap you're running, all your specs. I want to check it out. Later.